treatment of issue of debenture as collateral security. This collateral security means additional security over and above the normal securities. There are two types of securities. One is primary security, another is second collateral securities. The bank used to, the financial institution, they used to insist on the collateral security for their safety over and above the primary securities. So sometimes the company used to borrow loan from the financial institutions. At that time, the financial institutions may ask for some additional securities, and the company may issue some debentures in favor of the bank just to retain it as collateral security. The debentures which are issued as collateral security, they do not carry any interest as long as they are with the bank as collateral security. जब तक बैंक अपने पास रखा रहेगा एज कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी तब तक कोई इंटरेस्ट चार्ज नहीं होगा, राइट. तो सपोज लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ एन एग्जांपल. से एक्स लिमिटेड borrowed a loan of rupees 1 lakh from SBI and issued 1,200 9% debenture as collateral securities. There are two methods to record such transactions. First one is without opening. It will be given the question without opening debenture suspense account. एंट्री क्या क्या होगा. फर्स्ट एंट्री होगा व्हेन वी बोरो द लोन. एंट्री विल बी बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड 1 लाख रुपीज टू लोन फ्रॉम SBI, that is 1 lakh rupees. So when we don't maintain debenture suspense account, at that time we did not to pass any journal entry to record the issue of debenture as collateral security. तो दरकार नहीं है. So write down the narration for loan borrowed from SBI. That's all. Now what you will do, if you show the effect in the notes to accounts. Most important, notes to accounts हम लोग को वर्किंग ग्रुप बनाना है, right? The notes to accounts. Loan from bank is long term borrowing. तो ये हो गया long term borrowing. तो this is loan from bank or loan from SBI 2 lakh rupees or 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, and you have to give a note. This is important. Collaterally secured against issue of 1200 9% debenture of rupees 100 each. Such type of statement is a must. You have to give it. This is the notes to accounts, and in the balance sheet, in the notes to accounts, you need not to write this long term borrowing. नहीं लिखने से भी चलेगा. In the balance sheet, this is the balance sheet. This is note number current year and previous year. Here is particular. First one क्या होता है हेड्स? फर्स्ट वन
इक्विटी एंड लायबिलिटी.
इक्विटी एंड लाइबिलिटीज. राइट, दैट विल राइट नॉन करेंट लाइबिलिटीज. मालूम है ना नॉन करेंट लाइबिलिटीज. उसके बाद
लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग.
लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग्स. नोट नंबर 1 and here it will be that's all. इतना ही दिखाना है, ठीक है. when there is no suspense account is to be opened, but if it is given to open suspense account, at that time the entry will be different, the treatment will also be different. तब एंट्री होगा when suspense account is opened. तब एंट्री होगा फर्स्ट एंट्री बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू लोन फ्रॉम SBI 1 लाख. और सेकंड एंट्री होगा नए से लिखोगे being loan borrowed. और सेकंड एंट्री होगा डिवेंचर सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट टू 9% डिवेंचर अकाउंट, दैट इज 1200 डिवेंचर इशू किए तो 1200 इंटू 100 दैट इज 1,20,000. यहाँ पे लिखोगे 1200 9% डिवेंचर इशूड एज कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी. हो गया, समझ में गया. तो इसका बैलेंस शीट में कैसे इफेक्ट होगा? बैलेंस शीट और नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स में सेम. बैलेंस नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स में क्या होगा? यू कैन नोट्स टू अकाउंट्स राइट. तो फर्स्ट हो गया तुम्हारा लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग. लॉन्ग टर्म बोरोइंग सिंपली राइट डाउन बैंक लोन. बैंक लोन is 1 lakh. Now you need not to write that borrowed against or collateral security issued, all these things you need not to write. Again तुम लोग लिखोगे 9% debenture, the debentures which are issued as collateral security, that is 1,20,000 less debenture suspense right, that is 1,20,000 and ultimately it will be nil. So far as balance sheet is concerned, it will remain the same as the previous one, only change in the notes to accounts. Correct?